This is the ultimate pair right here. Check it out. I love it. Yes, that's a Pinchero. Now, what they claim is this is 1975, only one of 8 manufactured by Ford, only 44,000 original miles. Now, this is what gets me interested. New leather interior and carpet. Okay, drive it home today. Smells like leather, but definitely not original. Take a look-see in there. See how it's made. Really nice fit and finish in a lot of ways. I'm just curious though. Again, they claim that yes, it is an original Ford car. You can see the paint overspray over there. The whole thing's been repainted. I cannot quite give you the original color there, unless that's it, the beige, which could be. There's no plates there. Here we go. There's the Ford Canada, made 475. Does not have any other information except body is 738, color is 514, trim is AU, transmission V, axle, and DSO is 76. Gives you an idea. It's like, okay, now look at the quarters being welded on. You can see right over there, that's not really kosher. I made one of these and I used a station wagon. The roof line is well done. You can see the deck is interesting. The rear bed, I'm doing good. Let's see what's under there. It's probably just a spare tire. Yep. Very, very interesting. Again, I am calling out on the idea that this was manufactured by Ford. It's probably got the 4-cylinder 2300. Let's take a look, see if we can. Nope. Very, very interesting. Let's see what it goes for. Again, 1975 Pinchero. One of 8 by Ford, so the owner claims only 44,000 on the clock.